Ready to transform your photos into stunning composites. First, let's open the images you want to merge. Make sure both photos are open in Photoshop. We'll start by bringing the portrait into the landscape. Find the Portraits tab and drag it towards the landscape. This prepares to drag the portrait image. Click and drag the Portraits tab over the landscape's open window, then release. Once your cursor is at the center of the landscape image, this brings your portrait into the same file as your landscape, appearing on top of it. Notice the Layers panel. The portrait is now in its own layer, sitting above the landscape. Now select Layer 1, which is the portrait image. This is important. To blend these two images, let's experiment with blending modes. Use the drop-down menu that probably reads Normal. Here's where the magic happens. Try different blending modes to see how the layers interact. Options like Multiply, Screen, and Overlay can create unique effects. Experiment with different ones to see what works best for your images. Keep in mind that each blend is different based on the image. Adjust the opacity of the portrait layer to fine-tune the blend. Reduce the opacity of the portrait with the slider until you achieve your desired level of transparency. See the results? With a bit of practice, you can create amazing photo blends. You have learned the basic methods like blending mode and opacity. Now go and explore, experiment, and create your own spectacular merges.